In this video, we will see code implementation. Now let's quickly check the code implementation of this problem. So where basically I'm writing in JavaScript, where is same tree is equals to function P and Q. These are my root nodes. Okay. What I will do, I will say if my P is equals to null and Q is equals to null, I will simply return for true. Basically both are equal. If suppose P alone is null or Q null, you know what I will do? I will simply return false. If the value is not equal, so P value it's not equals to Q dot val, then also I will simply return false. Okay. Otherwise, I will call the function is same tree, same function is same tree with P dot left, comma Q dot left, and is same tree with P dot right, comma Q dot right. Okay. So this function, right, and this function, if both the conditions are true, then this statement basically I will return true. So basically I will return this statement and this will be true when both the conditions are true. Otherwise this will be false. Okay. That's a direct implementation. I have written it. And yeah, that's you can understand easily. If not, what I will do, I will simply create this function. I will write X. I will write this with y, and then I will say return x and y. So both things will be same, right? So that's a code implementation of our same tree. In the next video, I will tell you about the dry run of this code, basically how this code will run and how it is working. We will understand the complete recursion stack and everything. Okay. So see you in the next video.